Hello everybody. Okay, what we're looking at is I got the new headers. These are the pipes, the exhaust. Two of them is a V8, so 4 on each side. So each 4 connects to one big pipe, goes to the side of the vehicle because there is no space underneath it. There's one on the right side and one on the left side. So by the time you look at it from far away, it's going to be a scary car. All it's going to do, boom, boom. So what I did last couple of days, I finished the front. These are the tie rods, which is a suspension, part of the suspension. There's missing a coil here on the shock. So, but this one here, most important, I cut this one about a 1/4 inch wide to get the angles right. The caster, what happens that the top has to go to the back a little bit. So you have to cut this one a little bit. Tightening these 2 nuts, it's kind of tough, a little bit. The bottom one, you need to use a pipe, hold the shaft, and torque it. The top one, you can use this elbow for the socket, and it was able to get it done. This is the power steering. The power steering needs to be connected to the left and right, so you could actually drive and turn the vehicle as you wish. What else we have? So the pipes comes on the side. The brakes are done too. Just follow the instructions. It's my first time, but it worked. It's all really looking really good. You have to grease, put all the fittings and grease them in. And this is actually, you can move it up and down. It's really nice. Okay, here's the back from last week. You can see it without the panels. It's all the steel because this is really good to hopefully will never be. Okay, what else I did? I added a trunk, a drop trunk in the back. So the car comes straight like this, and underneath it is a gas tank, which is right here, but there's no extra storage. So I end up getting a storage, and it mounts right there. And you're wondering who's got the storage from. This is the name of the company. Snakebite Motor Works. I bought all my panels so far from him, and this thing looks awesome. This box, well made, is exactly what I need. I think it's worth every penny on it. All right, so here's the other side of the car. Everything looking good. A lot of work. What's next? I don't know. Depends how many parts I feel like I'm working. There's all kind of electrical stuff later on, radiator. I gotta get fuel. I'm gonna mount probably the fuel tank, get the fuel all the way to the engine, all the pipes, steering wheel, and engine is coming next week. And there's gonna be so it's only 1 month working on it. Not bad, not bad, not bad. Winter time. It's getting supposed to play golf, but the weather is bad, so it's good to stay in the garage. Yep. All right, wish me luck, guys. Good night. Bye-bye.